Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Jeep Liberty and I will show you how you can try to recharge the AC air conditioner by yourself. Now this video will apply to pretty much any Jeep Liberties, any year and any engine size. The only difference could be the location of the low pressure charging port. Now this is the 3.7 liter engine and the low pressure charging port will be located right here. But once you know the location of it, the process of charging the air conditioner will be the same. Also, depending on the size of the engine, the difference might be how much refrigerant goes to the system. Now there is a sticker right here which will show you the amount of refrigerant. So in this vehicle goes 0.51 kilograms, so that's 1.12 pounds. Before I start to show you how to recharge the AC by yourself, I will state that I would always recommend to have this done by a professional mechanical shop, just because they have all the right equipment. They can connect to both low pressure and high pressure ports and they can evacuate the system. If you are doing it by yourself, all you can do is connect to low pressure charging port and add the refrigerant. But if you are on a budget and want to try to do it yourself, you can do it quite cheaply and it should take you less than 5 minutes. Okay, so to do this by yourself, first you'll have to buy a AC recharge kit, which usually consists of the AC recharge hose and comes with 2 cans of the refrigerant. You can buy these at pretty much any car parts store, online. I've even seen them in grocery stores this summer. The price is usually like $40–50. If on sale, they go as low as $25. Good thing about this, as this hose is reusable as many times as you want, so for each new recharge you just have to buy refrigerant cans, which cost around $5–6 each. I will show you also now. So here on the can it states this is equivalent to 454 grams of R134A, and here on the sticker the full charge is 0.51, so that's 510 grams. So that means the full charge of this system is this one can, and then you still have to maybe add just a bit from the other can, but most likely if your system is completely empty, one of these cans will be enough. Okay, so how this actually works: you will screw the can onto this side of the hose, then you will connect the other side of the hose to the low pressure charging port right here, and then you will pierce the can by turning this knob all the way in, and once you do that you will start the engine and start charging the air conditioner. Okay, once this is on, then you want to remove this cap and make sure don't lose it. And now to connect this connector, there is this sleeve which pulls up. You just want to pull the sleeve up and then you want to connect it right here, just like that. And once that is done, then you want to turn the knob all the way in to pierce the can. Next thing you will do, you will start the engine. You will turn the AC on. You will set the fan speed to the highest setting. You will also make sure the air circulation is inside the cabin. So turn the AC on and turn this on as well. And that's it. Now you can proceed outside and start charging the system. Okay, so the engine is quite loud, so I hope you'll be able to hear me. So to start charging, you just have to start turning this knob, and that will slowly get refrigerant into the system. Now this doesn't have to be done fast, just take take your time and do it. And also you always have to keep monitoring the gauge on the hose, right? You don't want to overcharge the system. If you overcharge it, you could damage the AC compressor. So always keep monitoring. Now my system wasn't completely empty. I will show you now here. Okay, this is where I am at right now, and I'm supposed to be in this booth. So before I started, I was just somewhere here between 10 and 20, right? Now you don't want to be over 55 psi, okay? What I also like to do, I like to get inside the vehicle while charging and just give it a try. If I can feel that AC being blown out that air is any colder than it used to be. In my case, this is now really cold. Yeah, just have to be careful not to overcharge it. That's the only thing. And this is how it is done. Okay, now we'll still add a bit more just to come closer to that upper limit. I'm trying to work with one hand here, some kind of clumsy, but this is the idea. And once you're happy with the results, you can just turn off the vehicle and disconnect everything. Okay, now I'm pretty much done. In case you have to add a bit more from a new can, what you will do, you will disconnect everything and repeat the process from the beginning, right? Now one more tip, in my can there is still a bit of refrigerant and that cannot get into the atmosphere. So what you have to do before disconnecting the low pressure port, you just want to turn this knob all the way in, and that way when you disconnect the port, nothing will get out, right? Okay, now to disconnect, just pull that sleeve up. And that's it. This is how you can charge the AC by yourself. And also don't forget to put the cap back on. Okay, now all of this will work in case there is no leaks in the AC lines and the air compressor is actually working. In case you have a leak, you will have to take the vehicle to a mechanical shop, because like I said on the beginning of this video, they have all the right equipment. They can test the system, they can charge it with a special dye, and then they can see where the leak is coming from, and then you'll have to fix it before you can recharge it. In case there is a very small leak, you can try using something like this. It's called stop leak. You can charge the system with this. This is a refrigerant mixed up with some kind of solution, and it's supposed to help to seal and condition O-rings and minor AC system leaks. Now if you use that, then hopefully you'll get AC throughout the summer, and then you'll have to recharge it again in the future. But eventually you will have to fix the leak because it might get bigger, and then it will have to be fixed. Now this way of recharging the air conditioner, this is the budget way. If you're tight on money and want to have cold air in the summer, this is how you can do it. It can be used on pretty much any other vehicle, as long as you know how much refrigerant goes into the system. If you can reach the low pressure charging port, you should be good. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.